Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through one of Southeast Asia's most breathtaking destinations, Vietnam. From misty mountains and ancient towns to tropical islands and vibrant cities, Vietnam offers a perfect blend of culture, nature, and adventure. Hanoi, Vietnam's capital, is where tradition meets modern life. The old quarters, narrow streets, lively markets, and colonial-era buildings make it a fascinating place to explore. Visitors can enjoy delicious street food, watch a water puppet show, or relax by Hon Kien Lake. Hanoi is the perfect starting point for any Vietnam adventure. Ha Long Bay is famous for its emerald waters and thousands of limestone islands rising from the sea. A boat cruise is the best way to experience this natural wonder. You can kayak through hidden caves, relax on floating decks, and witness sunsets that look straight out of a postcard. Sapa is a mountain paradise known for terraced rice fields and ethnic minority villages. Whether you're trekking through the valleys or exploring local culture, Sapa offers breathtaking scenery and cool mountain air. It's an ideal destination for adventure lovers and landscape photographers. Ninh Binh, often called Ha Long Bay on land, Ninh Binh features limestone cliffs, peaceful rivers, and ancient temples. A boat ride through Trang An or Tam Coc gives you a chance to glide between towering rock formations and lush greenery. It's one of Vietnam's most peaceful and photogenic regions. Hoi An is a charming ancient town filled with lantern-lit streets, yellow houses, and riverside cafes. Known for its preserved architecture and relaxed vibe, Hoi An is great for food lovers, photographers, and anyone seeking a calm escape. Don't forget to experience the magical Night Lantern Festival. Da Nang is a modern coastal city famous for its beautiful beaches, marble mountains, and the iconic Golden Bridge held by giant stone hands. It's a perfect mix of relaxation and adventure, offering clean beaches, natural attractions, and great nightlife. Hue is Vietnam's former imperial capital and home to ancient temples, royal tombs, and the famous Imperial City. Visiting Hue feels like stepping back in time. The Perfume River adds to the city's unique charm, making it a must-visit for history lovers. Phong Nha is a paradise for cave explorers and nature enthusiasts. It's home to some of the world's largest and most spectacular caves, including Sun Tung, the biggest cave on Earth. From underground rivers to massive chambers, this national park showcases nature at its finest. Ho Chi Minh City, formerly Saigon, is Vietnam's fast-moving, energetic metropolis. The city offers a mix of skyscrapers, historical landmarks, and vibrant street life. Must-see attractions include Ben Than Market, the War Remnants Museum, and the lively nightlife scene. It's a city full of energy and excitement. Phu Quoc is Vietnam's tropical island paradise, famous for its crystal-clear water, white sand beaches, and laid-back resorts. Whether you enjoy snorkeling, sunset watching, or simply relaxing on the beach, Phu Quoc is the perfect getaway for nature and beach lovers. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best places to visit in Vietnam. Whether you're looking for adventure, culture, history, or relaxation, Vietnam truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel guides from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.